Hello. Tonight I'm making a Penang Curry. That's ground up peanuts, rice, got prawns or shrimp, the curry paste. Over here I've fried off some courgette or zucchini and some shallots and a yellow pepper, and I'm reducing down now the coconut milk because I'm going to fry the curry paste in this once it's sort of split and the oils come out. You can see the coconut milk is starting to separate now, so I'm going to put in some of this curry paste and fry it off in there. Probably about half this jar. Okay, that's enough, it's starting to spit. Give it a mix. Well, you can see the curry paste is now cooked and the oil separated, which is just how we want it. I'm going to throw back in the veg. And some ground peanuts. These are roasted peanuts, no salt. You've got to be careful when grinding this up, because if you go too far you get peanut butter. It's just starting to stick there. Well, that's about enough for what we need. Okay, and now the veg and the peanuts are all mixed in. Add in the rest of the coconut milk. I need 2 hands to do this, so I'll get back to you in a sec. Just mix that in. Just turn the heat up. Power level 2 at the moment, 4. Might see if I can get some more of those peanuts out. Okay, I've put some more peanuts in. Scrape those out. See, in Thailand, Penang Curry has peanuts already in the paste, but because in us Western countries, these commercial pastes, like this one from Sainsbury's, it doesn't contain peanuts, just to protect themselves from people having nut allergies and things. So you can add your own, unless you're allergic to peanuts, of course. Okay, that's looking quite good now. After you've given it a chance for the veg to cook through, you add your protein. In this case, king prawns. And next, you just need to heat these through because they're already cooked. What you don't want to do is overcook them, because you'll find they're like that, but when they're cooked too long they shrink up and go hard and tight. You don't want that to happen. You don't want a rubbery prawn. Okay. And I'm going to be serving that with a couple of onion bhajis and some chicken pakoras. Yeah, I know it's a mix-up of Thai and Indian. I like it. I'm also going to have some basmati rice. So I'll show you it when it's all served up in a minute. And there we go. A quick Thai Penang prawn curry in this case. Using supermarket paste. Very quick and easy. This took me less than half an hour. So there you go, enjoy. Oh, and if you're thinking it's a bit runny, Thai curries are supposed to be runny. I'd normally serve this in a bowl, but for convenience I've just bunged it on a plate. You could also tart it up with a bit of fish sauce and some palm sugar if you want. I'm going to leave it as is. So enjoy. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one.